Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to do the 5 TB hard disk support test in the POCO X3 device. As you can see, friends, so this is a POCO X3 smartphone which I am using right now, and here is a 5 TB Type C to Type C hard disk, friends. As you can see, this is a Type C port which is present here. So previously, I did a video on the POCO X3 testing this 1 TB SSD. So this is a small 1 TB size SSD. So let's see, friends, whether the 5 TB hard disk will be actually supported in this POCO X3 or not. So that's a kind of very curious question that even a lot of users, they did ask me before that whether the hard disk will be supported in the POCO X3 or not. So this will be the perfect video to demonstrate whether it does or not. So let's see, friends, what's going on in this video. And the reason why I bought the Type C hard disk mainly because nowadays we are seeing that a lot of phones coming with the Type C port. It's good to have this kind of Type C universal port on all the storage devices, so you can transfer the data easily in with other smartphones. So let me quickly connect the 5 TB hard disk, friends. So this is a 5 TB one. So let me connect. So let's see what message we'll be getting here. So I think hopefully it should be able to support in this phone right now. So as soon as I connect, I cannot see any kind of light blinking here. So usually whenever the hard disk detects any kind of devices, the light used to blink. So let me try to keep the cable properly. I think right now the light is blinking, as you can see here, friends. So I can feel the vibrations on the hard disk as well, the fan rotating. And on the top notification panel, if you notice, you did see that kind of small message as well, as you can see. So finally it says WD USB drive is connected successfully, as you can see here, friends. You got the notification as well. So this is the file manager which I'll be using. This is a CX file manager, so which is a really good file manager which doesn't have any kind of hats. So the reason why I'm using this CX file manager is that when I'll try to transfer the data from the hard disk to the mobile phone, we can actually see the speeds as well. So it is a hard disk, and which is a 5 TB, as you can see, friends, on the top clearly 5 TB. So right now let me try to quickly copy the files from the hard disk to the mobile phone. So we'll see the speeds as well, how much the speeds are exactly. So let me need to quickly copy one of the files. So this is one of the file which I'm going to copy right now. So let me need to quickly copy in the main storage. So this is a main POCO X3's storage area. So let me need to quickly paste in one of the section which says movies. So I think the file is too heavy, so let me need to delete few of the files. So right now let's try to copy the files in this phone. So as you can see, friends, right now the files are copying. So these are the speeds of the POCO X3 phone. So the files are copying from the hard disk to the mobile phone. So I'm trying to transfer from the hard disk to the mobile phone. The file size is of close to 3 GB of size. You can clearly see 2.91 GB. So as a all round figure, we'll take as a 3 GB size. So for the 3 GB size, you can see, friends, the time. So the expected time is around 1 minute and 30 seconds. So right now the speed is about 36 Mbps, as you can see. The UFS 2.1 storage which is present in this POCO X3 device. So if it is UFS 3.1, it used to be really very fast. It used to transfer within a few seconds only the data. But UFS 2.1 and UFS 3.1 is really a big difference as well. That's another thing to notice. But overall, you can see you'll get a clear idea about the speeds of the copying from the hard disk to the mobile phone in this POCO X3 device, as you can see, friends, POCO X3. So definitely, in case if you're having any kind of hard disk, you will be able to connect in this way. So now that's it, friends. This is a quick update on this POCO X3 support test of the hard disk, and overall it was able to support properly, and the files were able to copy, and everything is working fine in this phone. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru. And let me try to copy the same file from this phone to the hard disk as well to see how is the speeds going on. So let me need to paste it here. So before it was close to I think 30 Mbps, 36 Mbps. Right now you can see I'm trying to copy the files from phone to the hard disk. The initial speeds were around 150 Mbps, but later on the speed will immediately decrease. It will try to maintain again around 30 Mbps. So right now you can see it's coming down one by one. So that's it, friends. This is a quick update on this POCO X3, and for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe to my channel, friends, Sai Tech Guru, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.